Hi everyone, this is Justice from Just Auto Channel, and today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of my iPhone 11 that I just got from T-Mobile. I bought it and it was shipped to T-Mobile store where I picked it up. I am not really sure what this phone is like, if it's worth buying or not, but what I know is that I am very excited because I am moving up from iPhone 8 to iPhone 11, and the main reason why I bought this phone is because my iPhone 8 that had 64 Gs run out of memory, so I needed something newer and better, with better camera quality. And I was very excited to hear that Apple just released a new iPhone 11. So I'm going to be unboxing it today and we'll see what it's like. And I have another phone here today. This is the iPhone X, and it's a really great phone. This one has 256 G on it, and I love this phone. And this is my wife's phone, and I'm going to see if I'm going to use this iPhone X or I'm going to use this iPhone 11. So stay with me as we unbox it, and I will let you know what I think about this new phone. So first thing I'm gonna do in the process of unboxing this phone is to remove this film right here. Now I'm unboxing it, and you can see. And you ready to see the new iPhone 11 with 128 G on it? And ready? Here it is. This is the new phone. This is what it's like. It's a really pretty and beautiful phone, and this is what the front is like. And here is my iPhone 11, and I'm gonna set it down to see what really came with it. And here is the iPhone 11, and let's see what else came with it. Let's see what's this. It's like the protective oh, it's Apple logo. I don't know who uses that. And let's see what else. In the manual, let's see. And here is the same old earphones that comes with every Apple. And here is the regular USB. And guess what kind of charger came with this phone? The old little iPhone charger. And I'm kind of disappointed because this is a newer phone. I think Apple should put something better. And that's the end. Here is and that's everything that came with the iPhone. It's a beautiful phone. It's heavier compared to every other iPhone that I have used. But even with the fact that this is the new iPhone 11, I still think my favorite iPhone is this iPhone X. This is an amazing phone. The camera quality is superb. I'm not sure what this phone holds. Right now, I'm kind of feeling disappointed because of this charger. If you look at the iPhone 11 Pro, it came with the lightning charger and other stuff. But here is what the iPhone 11 looks like. And that's the camera. And I'm going to be doing more reviews about this iPhone 11. And if you like this video in any way, please leave a comment, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification button next to the subscription icon so that when I post future videos about my new iPhone 11, you'll be able to get those videos and know what this iPhone 11 is like. And there are other things I will be reviewing, and I will be doing a giveaway at the end if I get a certain number of subscriptions. So please stay connected, stay tuned, and thank you for watching this video. iPhone 11